I wanted to get you started on your employee webpage. You either can log in from the district webpage or our school webpage. Go to User Options, Sign In. Your username will be your school email. If you've not signed in before, then you'll click Forget Password, and it'll send you an email to reset your password, and then you'll be able to log in. Once you're here, it looks like nothing's changed, but now that you're here, if you notice, it says Staff Email, Site Manager, Account Manager, or Sign Out. Now that I'm signed in, I can search and access documents that the district has available for us. But in order to update my employee page, I'm going to go to Site Manager. I have several pages already created. I'm going to click on Teacher Page. The first time that you click Teacher Page, it will actually pop up a video of instructions. I'm going to select the Edit button, type in my name, some details. I even uploaded a picture of myself and my details. Click Save. I can check my page to be sure that it has what I want and to see what it looks like. Oops, wrong school. Now I'm going to go to my class schedule, and here I want to select an image, or I can choose to type it in, but an image seems to upload nicely. Here it is. It's drag and drop, so you just drag and drop it where you want it to be. If you don't want it, or you drag and drop it by mistake, you just click the delete button and say, yes, I'm sure. Now, I've actually added several other pages. In order to do that, you just click New Page, and I've been doing a blank page and saving and continuing. Oh, I need to title it. Title it whatever you want, whatever kind of page you're wanting it to be. Now, I can select from the apps that I want. So, if I wanted just to simply have a text box, I'm going to do Content and drag and drop. And now I'm going to hit Edit. And now I have a platform in order to enter text. I want to show you. This is a content page where I actually clicked and added links. In order to do this, you're going to find the website that you want. If I wanted to do Mastery Connect, I would copy and paste the website that I want. Select link. I'm at a web page. Paste. And I'm going to label this Mastery Connect. Insert. And there it is. And then it becomes a linkable page for parents or teachers to click on. Here I've decided to upload parent-friendly standards. So I actually went to Files and dragged it over here, and then I was able to upload files. I'll show you what that looks like. On my teacher page, if you go to Math Resources, it has all the files for the math standards that are parent-friendly. Here are the links. It opens in a new page to the website. Notice my new page is already active. If you go to your new page and you don't want to make it active, you can actually unselect Activate My Page, click Save, and it will no longer appear on the website. If I want to delete this page, I go to Actions and select Delete. I can also change the order of my pages by saying Move Page. I hope that helps.